Hello everyone, welcome here in 6th class maths. Students, in previous video we completed questions up to 15 and in this video we will start from 16 of exercise 5E. Question number 16 is here. Reema spends 1/2 of her money in a shop. Then she spends 1/3 of what is left on the bus fare. If she is finally left with 20 rupees, how much did she have in the beginning? Yes, we have to find the money that she have in the beginning. Students, this question number 16 is same as question number 10. Okay, student, try yourself. Come to the next 17. Yes, 17 is here. A container of milk is 4/5 full. With 10 liter of milk is poured into it. The container becomes 9/10 full. What is the capacity of the container? Here, yes, a container is full 4/5. Yes, let the whole portion of a container is 1. Yes, whole portion is equal to 1 and it is full 4/5 and 10 liter we poured there. Now the fraction is 9/10 after this 10 liter milk. Okay, now student, we will take fractions together. Yes, we will shift this 4/5 with this 9/10. We will shift this here, this with the plus sign, and then we will take this on right hand side, it will come with negative sign. Yes, on changing the side, sign also will change. 9/10 minus 4/5. Yes, now we will find the LCM of 10 and 5. That will be 10. Okay, in numerator we are getting 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1/10. This is the fractional form for the poured milk, and that was 10 liter. Yes, 10 liter is equal to 1/10. With the help of this we can find out the whole portion. Yes, we know student, whole portion is here 1. Okay, that's why we will take this 1 at one side. Here 1/10. 10 in dividation, we will shift this on left hand side with the 10 liter. Yes, when we will shift this 10, which one in denominator? On other side, it will come in multiplication. Yes, 10 multiplied by 10 liter is equal to 1. This is the whole portion of container. 10 multiplied by 10 liter, 100 liter. This is the capacity of the container. Yes, whole portion and capacity of the container is 100 liter. Question number 18 is here. Hamid deposited 1/4 of the salary in a bank. Then he spent 3,000 rupees and found that he was left with 7/12 of his salary. Find the salary. In question given, Hamid deposit 1/4 of his salary. Yes, for this student, consider whole salary be 1 or whole portion. Yes, 1 is equal to whole portion of the salary and this is also equal to whole salary. And given Hamid deposited 1/4 his salary. Now according to problem we will put all the values. Yes, whole salary is 1 and this is deposited fraction, this is spent money, and this is the fraction of left money. Yes, if we will add all these things together, it will be equal to the whole money. That's why we will put this fraction and span together and the whole money together, whole money one side. Yes, this all things will be equal to the whole money. Yes, now student, 1 upon 4 and 7 upon 12 means fractional form we will put on left hand side. Yes, now first we will shift this 1 upon 4. Here it is with the plus sign. Yes, it will comes on left hand side with the negative. Yes, here 7 upon 12 with the plus sign. Yes, on left hand side it will come with minus sign. Yes, now 1 minus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 12 is equal to 3000. That is spend money. In other words, we can say that if we will subtract the sum of if we will subtract the fraction of deposit money and left money from the whole money, then it will be equal to the money spent. Which one is spent? Now student, start the calculation. Here we will put 1 in denominator. Now 1, 4, 12. If we will find the LCM of 1, 4, 12, that will be equal to 12. In numerator we are getting 12 minus 3 minus 7. Minus minus plus. Minus 3 minus 7 equal to minus 10. Yes, sign will goes with the bigger number, that is 7 with the minus sign. Yes, 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 equal to 10. 12 minus 10 equal to 2. 2 upon 12. Both are divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 6 is 12. 1 upon 6 is equal to 3000 rupees. Now whole portion is equal to 1. That's why we will put here. We will take this numerator 1. Yes. Now we will take this 6 in multiplication with 3000, because here this is in division. 3000 multiplied by 6, 18,000. This is equal to 1, means in the starting we consider 1 is equal to the whole salary. Now total salary is 18,000. In 19, a small vessel is used to take out oil from a larger vessel full of oil. The capacity of the small vessel is 3 upon 50 of the volume of oil contained in the larger vessel. If the small vessel is filled 15 times to draw out oil from the larger vessel, what fraction of the original volume of oil is left in the larger vessel? According to problem, the capacity of the small vessel is 3 upon 50 of the volume of the oil contained in the larger vessel. Yes, capacity of a small vessel is 3 upon 50 times of the oil contained in larger vessel. And the second thing is given small vessel is filled 15 times to draw out oil from the larger vessel. Now student, according to this we will find the equation. Let the whole portion of the larger vessel be 1. In this case, fraction of large vessel fill with oil. This we can find if we will multiply this 3 upon 50. That is the fractional form of a small vessel with the oil. Yes, and we drawn out oil 15 times from the larger vessel. Both these we will multiply together. Okay, now start solution. 50 and 15 both are divisible by 5. 5 3 is a 15, 5 1 is 5 and 0. Okay, and or 5 10s are 50. Now we are getting here 3 upon 10 multiply by 3. Yes, 3 multiply by 3, 9 upon 10. Okay, This is the fractional form of large vessel filled with oil. Okay, and the whole portion is 1. If we will subtract this 9 upon 10 from 1, then we will find the left fraction. Okay, on solving this, that is 1 upon 10. This is the left fraction of the large vessel. Next one is Mr. Bose gave 2 upon 3 of his money to his wife. His wife gave 3 upon 4 of her money to her daughter. 2/3 of the daughter's money was stolen and she was left with 30,000. How much money did Mr. Bose have? Yes, now solution of question number 20. Let whole money be 1. Yes, he gave to his wife 2 upon 3 of whole money, and his wife gave to her daughter 3 upon 4 of her money, that is 2 upon 3. Yes, 3 upon 4 of 2 upon 3. Yes, on calculation we are getting, yes, 3 upon 4, replace this off by multiply, and 2 upon 3. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Yes, now we can cancel this 3 by 3 and we are getting 1 upon 2. Yes, this fraction is given by his wife to her daughter. Now, stolen money of his daughter, that is 2 upon 3. Yes, his daughter had 2 upon 3 in fractional form, and the stolen money is 2 upon 3 of 1 upon 2. Yes, calculate this 2 upon 3, multiply by 1 upon 2, we can cancel this 2 by 2. Now the left money with her daughter is 1 upon 3 in fractional form, and the left money, this is stolen money, 1 upon 3. After calculation we are getting this is stolen money, and now we have to find she left with money. If we will subtract this stolen money from the money that he got, that is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Now left money is 1 upon 3. Left money is 1 upon 3, and this amount is given. Yes, amount that her daughter had, that amount is given, that is 30,000, and the fractional form that is left, that is 1 upon 3. Yes, now daughter had, if we will multiply this 30,000 by 3, then we will get the money that daughter had. Yes, 3 multiplied by 30, 90,000. It means daughter had 90,000. Yes, to find out the amount that his wife had, we will divide this 90,000 by 3 upon 4. Yes. Now start the calculation. Replace this sign of division by the multiplication. On multiplication we will write the reciprocal of this 3 upon 4, that is 4 upon 3. Yes, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 30,000, 30,000 multiplied by 4, 1,20,000. This is the amount that his wife had. Now what he had, to find out this, we will divide this money, that is 1,20,000, by 2 upon 3. Yes, to solve this we will find the reciprocal of this 2 upon 3, that is 3 upon 2. Yes, we will multiply this reciprocal with this 1,20,000. This is divisible by 2, it is going 60,000 times. 60,000 multiplied by 3, 1,80,000. 50,000. Yes, this is the required money that he had. Yes, student, you have to do the practice of all of these sums up to next video. Thank you.